How to delete your Prime Video account. So if you want to delete your Amazon Prime Video account, first of all, make sure that you do not have any active premium subscriptions of Prime Video and make sure that you are on the free version. After you've done that, make sure that you're on the Prime Video app and come to the My Stuff option from the bottom right of the screen. Then after that, you want to simply tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and from there what you want to do is right here you'll find an option that says My Account, so you can simply go to the My Account button right here. Now over here you'll find another option that says Delete Account, as you can see, so tap on the Delete Account button there. It will ask you for a couple of options as to if you want to close your Amazon account. You can scroll down right here, agree to the terms and conditions, choose a reason, and tap on the Close My Account button in order to close your Amazon Prime Video account. This way you'll be able to close your Amazon Prime Video account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.